In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Western Union account. So the first thing that we want to do is just load up the application. You can get it from the App Store or the Google Play Store. And here we will select sign up, login/sign up, and we want to click on sign up again. Now it's going to ask for our email, first name, surname, middle name, as well as our gender, country of birth, and birthday. So what I'm going to do here is I'll just fill out this information and I will press on next, so I show you the next step. Okay, for the second step here, it's going to ask us for our street name, the city or town we live in, as well as the postal code. If you don't know it, you can just look it up. You type out your city or town name and followed by postal code, and it's going to give you the postal code and our phone number. So I'm just going to complete this info as well. Okay, and the very last step here, we will need to choose a security answer. So here, what is your place of birth? What is your pet name? Your pet's name? What is your mother's maiden name? So I'll choose this one and I'll just complete the rest of this. So we need to type out the answer and make sure you remember this answer. And we also need to create a password, which has to be at least 8 characters long. One number, you shouldn't put the name in our password, 1 uppercase letter and 1 lowercase letter. And after we have done this, we need to check I have read and agree to the online privacy statement here, and we can choose create profile. So I will just complete this info as well. Now, if you're doing this on iPhone, it's going to ask if you want to use your credentials and use Face ID. So I'll just do yes, and I'll allow it here. Just going to verify my face. And just like that, we have created a Western Union account. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.